Are you looking for the easiest homemade bread recipe with just 4 ingredients? Then make sure to watch this video. All the ingredients and process of cooking this can be found in the description section below. Firstly, you get 375 milliliters of hot tap water and you pop it in a bowl. Then you add a pinch of salt, and then you pop in also a packet of dry yeast. You can use other types of yeast as well. Then I mix it for around 30 seconds in the water. After this being mixed, you grab your bread flour. It can be white or brown bread flour, whichever you fancy. You measure 450 grams and put it in the bowl. Then you mix this for around 30 seconds with a wooden spoon or spatula. Just make sure all the flour's been mixed in well with the water. You leave a plate on top and you let this sit for 30 minutes. Following that, you wet your hands and you take off the plate and you mix it for around 30 seconds. You just have to give it a good mix after it's risen a bit. After this, you put it on the plate again and you wait another 30 minutes. Make sure to preheat your oven to 230 degrees Celsius. I then put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Then take it out and your beautiful piece of bread is ready. I recommend cutting it and toasting it, and that's what you'll get the best results. It lasts for a couple of days as well, like 3 to 4 days.
Look at that.
You can also cook it in the air fryer. It's pretty much the exact same process, except you preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees for 20 minutes. And then after you pop in the mixture into your air fryer, and I cook it for around 30 minutes. And then I take it out and I flip it over just so that the bottom gets cooked a bit better. And then I put this in for another 5 minutes. Then you take it out and that's pretty much it. It's really easy. If you enjoyed the video or you learned something, make sure to like and subscribe.
Here's a nice loaf of bread.